Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Intellect Design Arena Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results, but will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in millions. First one is revenue from operations. Last is June quarter, they got 345 crores revenue from operations. This year 408 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 18% year on year increase. This is positive side. Later other income. Previous year 7.7 crores, now 16.3 crores. Here approximately 9 crores other income was increased. We need to remember this point. Later expenditure. So here employee benefit expenses. Previous year 215 crores, now 210 crores. Here 5 crores was decreased. And also we have one more point related to employee benefit expenses. Go down. Here fifth point. Here amount in millions. Employee benefit expenses for the period ended June 30, 21 is consolidated financial results includes aggregate employee stock based compensation of INR 13.5 crores and credit of 9.2 crores towards payment of a loan obtained by Intellect Design Arena from Bank of America under the Paycheck Production Program. As such, loan proceeds were used to retain workers and paying payroll cost. Here, they spent 13.4 crores for employee stock options and also they got 9.2 crores from Bank of America under the Paycheck Production Program. That amount also they used for retain workers and paying payroll cost. We need to remember this point. And also one more thing here, employee benefit expenses decreased 5 crores. This is positive side. Later depreciation. Previous year 18.8 crores, now 22.6 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later finance cost. Previous year 3.9 crores, now 1.1 crore. They're paying only 1.1 crore as interest. This is very less. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later other expenses. Previous year 62 crores, now 97 crores. Here other expenses increased. Now check here profit or loss before share of profit or loss of associates, joint venture and tax. Here previous year 52.9 crores, now 92.7. Here we have share of profit associates. So previous year they lost 5.8 crores, now 4.7 crores due to associates. Later profit before tax. Previous year 47 crores, now 87 crores. Here approximately 40 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 87% profit before tax increased year on year. This is very good sign. Later tax expense. Current tax. Previous year they paid 10.6 crores, now 13.8 crores. Here 3 crores was increased. Later deferred tax. Previous year 6 crores credited to the company. This year 20 lakhs spent. That means previous year they paid only 4 crores as tax. This year they paid 14 crores. Here tax amount was increased. We need to remember this point. Let profit after tax. Previous year 42.5 crores, now 73.9 crores. So here profits increase. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. Here 74% year on year increase. This is very good sign. So Intellect Design year on year results are very good. This is positive sign. Now check earning per share. Go down. Here earning per share basic. Previous year 3.2 rupees, now 5.5 rupees. Here 2.5 rupees increase. This is positive sign. Now check quarter on quarter results, but will give less importance for quarter on quarter results. In March quarter, they got 397 crores revenue from operations. This year 408 crores. Here revenue from operations increased quarter on quarter. We'll check it in percentage. 3% quarter on quarter increase. This is positive sign. Later, profit before tax. Previous year 90 crores, now 87 crores. Here quarter on quarter profit before tax decrease, but we need to remember one point. Here in previous quarter they got 8.2 crores profits from associates or joint ventures, but this quarter 4.7 crores loss due to associates and joint ventures. Due to this profit, previous quarter got more profits comparing with June quarter. So we need to remember that point. Later, profit after tax. Previous year 82 crores, now 73 crores. Here 10 crores was decreased. Here also we need to remember one point. Here current tax they paid 14.8 crores. Later 6.8 crores debit deferred tax credited. Here they paid only 8 crores tax only, but current year they paid 14 crores. Due to this one also, here quarter on quarter profit decreased. So if you don't have deferred tax and other income from joint ventures, then quarter on quarter results also very good. Now check few more points. Go down. Here, Intellect registered strong revenue growth and acceleration of SaaS and subscription revenues in quarter 1 financial 22. This is positive side. Here, SaaS and subscription revenue doubled. Revenue at INR 77 crores in quarter 1 financial 22 as against 38 crores million in quarter 1 financial 21. Here revenue was increased from 38 crores to 77 crores for SaaS and subscription revenue doubled. This is positive side. Later, license linked revenue is at 58% of total revenues as against 50% of total revenues in quarter 1 financial 21. Here license linked revenue increased from 50% to 58%. This is positive side. Let us go down. Ignore these things. Already we calculated these things. So we should not concentrate on these things. Here we need to focus on this point. Digital led wins and implementations. Quarter 1 financial 22 recorded 10 digital led wins, including 5 large digital transformations deal wins. This is positive sign. Intellect went live in 26 financial institutions across the world in quarter 1 financial 22 despite coming under pressure under the impact of the second wave of COVID in Indian delivery centers. This is positive sign. Later, go down. Here we have details about large digital transformation deal wins. One is St. James Place signs 3 deals with Intellect for end-to-end Salesforce transformation and lead to the AI transformation for investment management. This is one largest deal. Another one is Intellect bagged a path-breaking prestigious transformation deal from a top 3 GCC bank in the MENA region, continuing its leadership journey on digital banking CBOS platform. This is positive sign. Later, Intellect signed a large deal with second full-fledged Islamic bank in Malaysia. This is positive sign. Later, here significant deal wins. A leading Canadian bank has signed up for extension capabilities for their payment moderation program. Another one is one of the central banks in Africa has chosen Intellect Quantum Central Bank Solution. Another one is one of the largest retail companies in the Middle East has chosen Intellect Digital Lending to provide retail loans. These are significant deals. These are positive things. Now check valuation analysis. Results of Intellect Design came at market hours. So results came at 3 o'clock. So before results came, price down 8%. Here if you see this one, before results price is 826 to 772. So here price was down. Later at 3 o'clock results came. After results price down from 784 rupees to 720 rupees. Later it was increased bit and current price is 744. So today 10.6% down. So results are good, but price was decreased. We need to analyze that one. If you see here 5 days price, so Before 5 days, price is 774. Within 3 days, price increased up to 885. So before results, price was increased high. Due to that one, people expected more. But results are very good. But price decreased from 878 rupees to 744 rupees in 2 days. We need to observe these things carefully. Later we check dividend. Here corporate actions. Intellect Design Arena did not give any dividends, but they are getting good profits, but they are not giving any dividends. We need to understand that Intellect Design Arena investing all profits into future growth. For that purpose, they are not giving any dividends, but we need to analyze carefully why they are not giving dividends later. Market cap of Intellect Design Arena is 11,140 crores. ROC is 21.6%. ROE is 21.6%. Here ROCE and ROE is greater than 21%. This is positive sign. Here debt to equity is 0.06. That means this company is zero debt company. This is positive sign. Later price to sales is 7.44. This is little bit high. But Intellect Design Arena is the growth stock. We need to consider other things also. Now check last 1 year price with results. Before 1 year, price of Intellect Design Arena is 140 rupees. Current price is 740 rupees. It was increased from 140 rupees to 880 rupees. Later it was down little bit. So current price is 740 rupees. Now check why Intellect Design Arena increased price that much. So here we are going to check last 4 years quarter results. Last year's June quarter results, sales increased 0.9%. So this is negligible sales increase, but here profits increased 678%. This is very high. This is positive sign. Later, in September quarter, sales increased 13.8%. Profits increased from negative to positive. Here previous year they have losses, but this year profits. This is very good sign. In December quarter, here sales increased 19%, and here also profits converted from loss to profit. This also positive sign. In March quarter, here sales increased 11% and profits increased 112%. This is also very good sign. In the current quarter also, year on year they got 18% revenues and profits are 74%. This is also a good sign. In the last 4 quarters, their results are very good. Due to that one, price was increased from 140 rupees to 880 rupees and current price is 740 rupees. We need to consider results and prices. Now we'll check current PE with 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. PE before result is 39. PE after result is 33. That means current PE is 33. We'll compare current PE with 3 years median PE. Current PE is 33 and 3 years median PE is 34 and 5 years median PE is 31. Here current PE is near to 3 years median PE and 5 years median PE. That means currently Intellect Design Arena is reasonable valuation based on 3 years and 5 years median PE and undervalued based on current overvalued market. Conclusion is pros. Zero debt company. Year on year results are excellent. Reasonable or undervalued based on 3 years median PE or current market conditions. Risk is price increases from 140 rupees to 885 rupees in 1 year. If the market corrects, then this stock also will correct. So at that time, if we add this stock in our portfolio, then we'll get more profits or returns in the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.